How's it going, guys? I want to give you context to our Black Friday deals ending the 29th, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Crazy deals. If you just need good products, awesome time to get them. If you want to make money in the health and wellness space, awesome time to get started. So if you see right here, here's a 29 saving. This is our new magnesium spray for men. This bundle is for men. Amazing, just because if you look at the ingredients. So I'm going to open up the PIP, which all our products come with this, so you guys can see why this is crazy for men. And the ingredients they put in this were a shocker to me. So if we scroll in, guys, I want you to see something. So right here, we're going to have horny goat weed ingredient. We have ginkgo extract. We have ashwagandha. Most of you know about that. We have maca extract. And we also have American ginseng. Crazy combination. And if you're wondering, spray, better absorption, but I want you guys to really understand magnesium already is very crucial and key. And this video isn't about this product specifically, but I just want you guys to understand how powerful this is. And we can't forget this. One of the biggest issues in men: supports healthy prostate, relieves prostate inflammation, assists with stress and anxiety. Very key. So enhanced libido, stamina, endurance, mental clarity, sexual health. So whether you want it for that specific reason, this is a crazy product just in general. Natural testosterone booster. Magnesium is already very king. So this is a crazy combo, crazy bundle. So we have a 119. And it gives you 100 volume. But what is so crazy is usually for 119, you'll get like 3 products. You're getting our new product, our Beetroot Maxes, which is a crazy circulatory product. You're getting our other magnesium spray. You're getting Primo, which I use this to replace my colognes. Very manly, aphrodisiac. And you're getting our hormone balancer as well. And then here's a mini size, like a sample size of 4 powerful products. Slimmer Max, only $29. Mystery, colon cleanse, pretty much colon cleanse, parasite cleanse, gut cleanse, $29. $40 saving. Like, this is crazy. $42 savings, $54 savings. Buy one, get one free black seed oil. Remember, guys, this is crazy. 16 bottles of black seed, $255 savings, $27 savings. This is our supplement division. I have 2 buttons below, and when you join, if you want to sell this, when you join, guys, I'll put my email in below as well, so you can email me and say, hey, I want to sell this product. And for my customers, the first few people to email me discount, I'll send you a discount code. $25 off your order. It should work with the Black Friday deal. If not, you can just use it on another order, but I'll send you that. But just personally email me, because I only have a select few of those left. So if we go over to our personal care line, and this is all under the same company, but they have a personal care line. They have a few oils that mix on both sides, but this, you'll see more what this company is for. And they have some savings in here as well. Mystery oil. This is mainly where the oils are. You have the Bless Free, $39.95 saving. Look at this. Prosperity Box, $83 savings. And you can see, you can come in here and read. We have some spiritual, physical, emotional oils as well. This is the craziest bundle, because these 2 alone are like $50, $69. You're getting 3 body baths and 2 of the most powerful products we got. If not, might be the most powerful products we have. Great for hair, great for skin. $110, $38 savings. Black seed oil. See, this is one of the products that mixes and mingles on both platforms. And then our soaps are buy one, get one free. I would be buying these soaps out. You know, if I'm not using this, I'm using Dr. Bronner's, but that's it. I don't play around with my products, man. But I want to get this video out, guys, because this is a crazy savings. happening right now. I'm gonna get this video. It's about 11 a.m. I want to get this out quick as possible. Hopefully when you open my email, you take advantage. But I'm gonna have this in here as a blueprint so you guys have something to reference and understand what's going on. If you want to sell these products online, especially if you want to start selling them now, you can talk about them. You can just, or you can, if you have some friendly family and friends you want to get these discounts to, send me an email or reply wherever you're seeing this video, and I'll get that information to you.